Leo tuko Changamwe. We are doing a survey. Kuna hizi go down inafunguliwa, so they want a full solution ya CCTV, internet. We'll propose Starlink, alarm system. So from here, from Changamwe, we are going Miritini. Miritini, there is another number of go downs. Tunaenda kufanya survey pale pia ya CCTV. From there we are going to Nyali. Nyali kuna apartment tumeitwa. We are going to do the camera survey pale pia. So today is all about surveys. So client mutuite, tutafika, sio lazima tufanye legwork, sio tembee tuwafike, tufike on ground, tufanye hizo surveys. We give you the quotation. Hopefully when you see our prices, you'll give us the job. Quality itakuwa sawa. So keep calling us for your security requirements, cameras, electric fence, Starlink internet, solar systems, video intercom. We'll be there for you. Sawa. Thank you.